Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make pancakes. Here's a list of the ingredients we're going to need. First up is 2 cups all-purpose flour. Up next is 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 4 teaspoons baking powder, one-4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir these up a bit. Make a well in the center of the ingredients. Add 1 3/4 cup milk to the center of the well. Take 1/4 cup of butter, melt it in the microwave, and then stick it in the fridge to cool. Once your butter is finished cooling in the fridge for about 10 minutes, add it to the milk. Next, add 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. And add 1 large egg. Now use a wire whisk to whisk the wet ingredients together. After whisking, start folding the dry ingredients slowly into the wet ingredients. After mixing, your batter should be nice, smooth, and silky. If not, if it's a little dry, add 1/4 tablespoon of milk until it's a little more smooth. And we're gonna set this aside and heat up our skillet. Okay, go ahead and grab your non-stick pan. Today I'll be using my cast iron skillet, and heat it up to a low, medium heat. And we're gonna wipe it with butter. Once your skillet is heated and ready to go, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of the pancake batter. And we're gonna gently move it around a little bit. Once you start building bubbles on top of the pancake, you know it's ready to flip. Okay, once your second side is done, you're ready to plate. Top with your favorite ingredients. Today we got a little bit of butter and some syrup. And it's ready to eat. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to check out our other recipes and don't forget to follow for more.